welcome to Casa Exotica or Villa number 3. I'd like to take just a few minutes of your time to help you get oriented at the villa to make sure you have a wonderful stay with us. As you enter the front steps, please be aware if it is raining, it can be slippery, but they should also be lit at night for you as you enter up to the front of the house. On your left-hand side will be the front door and main entryway, and on the right-hand side, the Grand Rancho ping pong table and dining area. As you come up to the front door, you will see our keyless entry pad. The door code will be given to you a day before check-in, and so you'll be able to enter the passcode here and push the unlock button and the door will automatically unlock. Upon entering the house, you will see there is the main living room right on the left-hand side, the dining room, and the kitchen area. In the living room is a panel for the central AC unit. It's a very simple unit. All you have to do is make sure that the settings, the fan is on auto, and you're going to have it right now. When we arrived, it's an off position, but you'll just switch it over to cool. So switch it to cool, and the system is already preset to drop to the appropriate temperature. You can see the temperature in here right now is 30, but it's already preset to drop for you. And when you are going to leave for the day to head out to any tours or activities, all you have to do is just push off and the system will automatically pop off for you. And you can hear the fan going off there. As you enter the kitchen, you'll see there's all the main appliances for you, as well as a handy water filter. This filtration system offers you fresh filtered water. All you have to do is put your refillable cup or water bottle under here, and then you can choose if you'd like it hot or cold or just normal room temperature. Talking about trash, we have several different receptacles depending on what you're looking to throw away. On the counter, we have here a compost bin, which you can feel free to put any organic biodegradable materials in here. When it's full, please feel free to set it outside and our staff will throw it away for you in our compost. For all other trash, we have 2 different receptacles. Usually we dedicate the one on the left to recycling, which would be glass bottles, cans, and plastic bottles. And then we have one which is for all other trash, either things that are not recyclable or organic for the compost. Here you have the refrigerator, which also does have a filtration system. In the refrigerator, we do have these plastic shelves in here, as well as drawers down below. Please note, we ask that you do not put heavy glass bottles, wine bottles, or like the big 2-liter gallon of sodas in here, only because they're very tall and can be wobbly, and these are a very low height. And we've had some of the shelves fall out before when guests put too many heavy things. These shelves are mainly just for putting sauces, butter, things like that are lightweight. If you do have heavy things, big bottles, etc., we recommend to put them sideways and slide them in here, as these shelves are much stronger and you're less likely to have something fall out of the fridge for you. These drawers as well, when you pull them out, they naturally stick in the back. They are able, and that's kind of a safeguard, but you naturally can lift them up and bypass this to pull it out completely. But we recommend just to not pull it out too far, just so that the drawer doesn't come out completely. Past the kitchen, we have our laundry room, which has the washer and dryer and a cleaning supply area. Over here to the right are a few housekeeping things. We do have emergency water. This is really not for drinking, it's just straight from our faucet. It has not been filtered. We do it here because we are on an electric pump, and in case our power goes out, our water also might go out. And so in that case, we have these bottles available so you can use to flush a toilet or rinse something off if you need to. You can also put one of these in your car or shuttle to wash off your feet after the beach. We also up here have occasionally some pool toys and yoga mats for using out on the top deck, as well as pareos, which are Turkish towels, which are very lightweight and they're great for drying off quickly at the beach and also shake off easily with sand. One additional note for the air conditioning downstairs in the main floor of Casa Exotica and all 3 villas, the central AC downstairs controls this whole living space as well as this bedroom. There's not a separate unit in there, so when you're ready to go to bed or whoever's ready to go to sleep here and you're ready to turn the AC on, you will turn it on from here, but it's going to control the whole area. So whenever you do that, please make sure that all the doors and windows in this room are closed, as well as all of the ones here, otherwise the space will not cool. As we go upstairs to the landing, we'll be reaching our next 3 bedrooms. On the left-hand side, we have the Jungle View guest room, the master suite, and the shared guest bedroom. Shared guest bedroom shares the bathroom here in the hallway with the other guest bedroom. This bedroom has its own AC unit, is the only one in the house that has its own individual system, and there's a remote control to turn it on and off in this room. So whoever's staying here, please make sure to turn it off during the day when you guys are out at activities. The master suite is located here, and the main control for the upstairs air conditioning for this room and for the ocean view guest room is located in the panel right over here behind the curtain. This is a manual system, so it's already going to be set to drop for you. And all you need to do is switch it to cool and keep the fan in the auto position. And as I switched it to cool, you can hear the fan kicking on, and it's already preset to drop. When you're ready to go out for the day and you no longer need the air on, all you gotta do is switch it to the off position, and the fan will go off immediately. And just as a housekeeping thing to avoid any inconveniences during your stay, as customary in Costa Rica, we do have signs here that also give more information, but please do not throw any trash into the toilet. We do have a trash receptacle provided in each bathroom. You can throw away any paper products, feminine products, or paper towels, wipes, etc. into that bin, and they'll be changed for you daily. If you need it changed more regularly, you can just let us know and our cleaning team can come over and do that for you. Additional note on the air conditioning, the foyer and the main tower that goes to the rooftop deck does not have air conditioning vents, only in the bedrooms. So before you're going to turn on the air conditioning for the evening, to cool the rooms down fastest, we recommend to shut all of these doors, of course, and all the windows in the room, and then it should cool down very quickly within 30 minutes. Each of our houses has fiber optic internet. There is a router located on the second story of each home, as well as one down in the living space. The password for that will be given to you with the door code the day before arrival, so you should be able to connect easily and have good internet service throughout the entire house. Common question we get at Villa 3 is where to turn on the lights in the rancho, and the bistro lights that are out by the pool, which are right up here, can be turned on with this light switch in the post. So you guys can enjoy using this beautiful outside space at night. Just please make sure when you come in for the evening that you turn off the switches here. Thank you. As you come this way into the yard, you will see the pool and the barbecue area, which is currently covered, but when guests arrive, it will be ready for your use. The barbecue, we do keep the gas tank closed, so make sure before you go to use it, you open the star valve to release the gas into the system and then light the barbecue. There's also a pool light, which is connected to this post. So when you would like to turn that on, you can just push the button here and it should turn on the pool light for nighttime enjoyment. One of the most enjoyed spaces of Villa 3 is our rooftop deck. As you come in, you can enjoy all the beautiful windows that show the view through the tower. And we do have a screen door here. We recommend to keep this door open to let the hot air flow out, and keep this screen closed so that no bugs or anything will come in inside the home. When you get up here, it's just a lovely space. You can enjoy the birds in the evening and the early morning. Right here is a lovely spot to have a coffee or a beverage and enjoy all the wildlife from the rooftop terrace. We hope you enjoy your stay with us, and thanks again for choosing Casa Exotica.